Hi everyone, I am Ian from QTips, and this is going to be a slightly different video to my usual QTips YouTube videos in that I want to introduce you to something new. So a while ago I created this QTips YouTube channel to service existing clients and help them with queries and QGIS related queries as well as GIS related queries. And I found out pretty quickly that the greater QGIS community were also interested in these videos. So along the way, I decided to create a few extra videos that were actually quite useful and quite popular amongst quite a few users. But I did receive quite a few queries with regards to other content. People asked if there was any more structured course material or where they could download the tutorials, but of course there weren't any tutorials. Now, of course, that was not the main intention of the YouTube channel, but it did make me think that there was a need for some extra content and some possibly more structured QGIS tutorials online. So that's why I came up with the QTips learning platform. And it looks like this. So you should see a link in most of the new videos that I post. But if you go to the website https://q-tips.co.za, and then like I said, there should be links in most of the video descriptions, then you will get or land on the QTips homepage where you can find out a bit more about what we are doing or what my intention with this page is. So if you go to the page, you can find out a little bit more about what the page is about and what the intention is. And then also you can see what courses are available. So you can click on Start Learning or Courses. Any one of these links will take you to the same place. If you click on Start Learning, then you'll be taken to the courses, the available courses page. And what we have here is a number of courses at the moment, which I plan to add to in future. And the first two courses, an introduction to GIS and QGIS getting started, these two courses are free, and I've created them so that the user, that's you guys, can just get an idea of what the style and format of the training will be. And then if you decide that you would like to purchase a course, there are some other courses available. And we currently have a few entry-level courses like creating a map and then creating a layout, as well as new layers and editing. But my intention is to create future courses, and future courses will include geoprocessing, Q-field, interpolation, sensitivity analysis, as well as visual impact assessments and 3D analysis, and a few other courses depending on the demand and what interest is shown. So please go ahead and have a look at the website, and if you are interested, enroll in the free courses to get an idea of what the platform is and what my training style is to see if this will be some useful content for you. And that is all I wanted to get to today. So keep a look out for future courses that I will be adding, as well as the usual short format YouTube content as well. I'm Ian from QTips. Till next time, cheers.